Hello everyone, welcome to Website Education Investment. Today I'm going to share the news about the Arcana asset, ACA, LcDOT, LDOT. They are now available on Payoneer Finance, AMM, and I'm going to show you how to participate. So basically the announcement, they shows with the Payoneer's cross-chain, now you can bridge your assets, your Arcana assets. Due to the technical difficulty, the LDOT is temporarily suspended on the AMM, but it should be fixed soon. And so there are three different pairs, the Arcana, ACA, LDOT, and LcDOT with Para. And actually, they also have the Karura as well. So the liquidation free node option is available. So if you land it, you can get the liquidation free node. Now I'm going to demo how to do that. So go to the Payoneer app, there's a cross-chain, and you can choose from, so now it's a Polkadot, choose the Arcana, so select Arcana. Now if you connect the assets, it will need all the three assets supported. So I'm going to start with ACA, so I'm going to connect the button. I will manually put a number this time, so I will do the transfer. So I'm going to transfer the ACA to Payoneer Finance. Now you should move over to the overview to check your ACA. So now go to the ACA overview, overview, and now you can check the overview and find the ACA token. So it's here, ACA, and so this is the one we already bridged from Arcana to Payoneer. And so the same thing you can do for the LcDOT and other assets. So I will try the max button and connect transfer. So it's going to transfer the LcDOT to the Payoneer Finance. And now after that, you can go to the AMM and you can land it. So now find the asset, the ACA, right? Right now the APY is 0, but later on you may get some APY for landing, and also you will have a liquidation free option. So let's try the LcDOT. So LcDOT, they have a liquidation free, so liquidation free limit will be increased after you land it. And so now they are both on the money market, so you possibly in the future will get the supply APY. On the Kusama, you can also get the Karura. So select the Karura, Karura here, and then the KR. Like I will just put 2, and I will transfer that. And the same thing, you can go to the overview, and you should be able to see the asset. KR asset. Right now it's not supported on the AMM, but maybe in the future. And so if you want to withdraw, do the same thing, go to the money market, do the withdraw, and by default that's a 50%, but you can manually put whatever amount you want to withdraw, and connect the withdraw, and then you can withdraw and get it back. There's no knock date, so you can get it immediately. So overall, just share the good news and do the demo, show you how to bridge the Arcana assets to the Payoneer Finance to the AMM, and maybe earn some supply APY, and also the liquidation free option. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.